Have you ever gazed at sand dunes shaped by the wind and wondered if there's a deeper meaning? In many spiritual traditions, the ever-changing patterns in sand are seen as symbols of impermanence and the interconnectedness of all life. Each ripple and curve, formed by unseen forces, reminds us that existence is in constant motion. Just as wind leaves its mark on sand, invisible energies shape our lives. Observing these natural designs invites us to embrace change, find beauty in the present, and trust the unseen currents guiding our journey.